Brainy Genius presents 6 ways to work smarter, not harder, so let's get started. The slogan, "Work smarter, not harder," may have different meanings for different people. After doing some research on this phrase, I learned that it was coined in the 1930s by Alan F. Morgenstern. He developed a job simplification program as an industrial engineer to boost output with less effort. This theory has divided opinion. Some agree, while others disagree. These views reflect each individual's point of view. My perspective or opinion agrees with the statement, "Work smarter, not harder." Please allow me to clarify. Everyone has their own method of doing things, and as I've already stated, what works for one person might not work for another. Finding strategies to work smarter, not harder, depending on your unique lifestyle necessitates some inside research. Consider how you work on projects and activities, both professionally and individually. Then check out the list below to see if any of these options will work for you. Including strategies to work smarter, not harder, can help you to get things done quickly, and as a result, lessen your stress. 1. Get organized. Naturally, this would be the first option. When you have everything arranged, you can easily find what you need. You don't squander time seeking for goods needed to complete a task or endeavor. Your surroundings are clean, and there is no clutter to keep you from thinking clearly. 2. Brain dump. You most likely have a lot of thoughts racing through your mind. Perform a brain dump by getting them out of your skull and onto a piece of paper or, if you prefer, your computer or phone. The first step is to understand what you need to do. 3. To-do list. Put those tasks on a to-do list now that you know what you want to do. You may have many lists. Many people will warn you not to do it, yet it is occasionally essential. For instance, you may have one list for work and another for home. That's okay. It's less confusing. You should now prioritize the items on your list. 4. Processes. Using procedures allows you to work smarter, not harder. I'm a big proponent of employing procedures for mundane activities. Everyone, whether at work or at home, has repetitive activities of some kind. When you create a process by writing the steps and referring to it each time you execute a task, it becomes a routine or habit, and you get things done faster. However, don't grow comfortable and stop referring to these processes, or you risk missing a step. It may not appear to be a huge problem, but it can cost you time and money, and it can be damaging to your professional career. 5. Eliminate steps. This is an excellent method for streamlining procedures. As you progress through a process and the circumstance changes, adjust the procedure to accommodate the change. This might happen by removing a step or stages from the procedure. By removing a step, you will most likely save time. However, be careful not to sacrifice quality in your attempt to simplify a process. 6. Schedule everything. This is perhaps the most effective approach to work smarter rather than harder. When all jobs, projects, and appointments are scheduled, there is no doubt about when and what you should be doing at any given time. Schedule all chores and appointments in a paper planner or an electronic device using your prioritized to-do list. To keep on track, check your paper planner regularly or set up audio notifications on your smart device. Allow for extra time for travel and any unforeseen events that may arise. Downtime must also be considered in your hectic routine. Downtime is not a waste of time. It is an opportunity to regroup, relax, and recharge in order to accomplish a successful work smarter, not harder plan. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.